And moving on now, and what's being seen as India giving into pressure, the centre has told the Supreme Court this morning that the Italian Marines are not going to be tried under the stringent anti-piracy law. The law was being heavily contested by the Italian government. This, of course, comes as a major relief for these Marines who are being tried for killing two Indian fishermen back in 2012. Now, if convicted, the Marines will not face a death penalty.
The BJP has reacted to your comments of the previous time, where you had said that R.K. Singh, the former Home Secretary, botched up the entire Marines case. Ravi Shankar Prasad is saying that do Home Secretaries decide government's policy?
Ravi Shankar should know, he's been a minister.
No, but I mean, do you think...
He's been a minister.
Do you think R.K. Singh, do you reiterate that comment? Do you stand by that comment of yours? Do you stand by that comment of yours?
It's not my job to teach the BJP senior leaders simple lessons about administration and constitutional governance.
No, but do you stand by that remark about R.K. Singh?
No idea, I've told you what I...
The country must know as to how things are being handled. Is the government's policy, course of action being determined by a Home Secretary, present or former, or by the government at the political level? My charge is that this government has meekly caved in to the pressures from Italy. See the contrast. In America, an Indian diplomat is sought to be almost put to a legal framework for which there is no ground, but America justifies it. Here is a case where Indian fishermen have been killed, innocent fishermen, in the most gruesome manner, and the government of India is going overboard to secure them relief one after the other. This is most unfortunate. This is regrettable, and the BJP would like to demand that the government must come out with all the facts as to why the decision has been taken, under what pressure. I think it is indeed a very serious matter.
Srinjoy Chaudhary now joining me from the capital. Srinjoy, has India buckled under Italian pressure, or has there been a mess up? Has there been confusion on this case internally right from the word go?
Well, the facts are very clear. First, the Italians did not want a death penalty. And from the Indian side, it's clear there was an assurance that there would not be a death penalty. Then, of course, there was this shadow of SUA, the Anti-Terror, Anti-Piracy Act, hanging over the two Marines. Now that has gone. The only thing that remains is the fact that they can be tried under Section 302, which is murder. The Italians do not want that. Now we have to see whether that stays or not and what finally happens. Because there is a section of the Indian government which believes that perhaps this was not murder and maybe it was just manslaughter. Now, these Marines for about several months are not staying in jail. They are staying in the Italian embassy in what you would consider relative comfort, considering what conditions in the jail would have been. Now, we will have to see what finally happens, what the position of the government on this will be.
We'll have to wait and watch on that. But indeed, questions are being asked about the way the case has been handled in the first place. Thanks for that, Srinjoy.